Hey guys, this is my 93 Ford F250. About 180,000 miles on it. And the transmission bell housing failed entirely. Here's the E4 with overdrive. You can see exactly what happened. It failed. Pretty amazing. Let's look under the truck. You can see the piece of the bell housing is still connected to the motor. Kind of made removing it easy because I didn't have to undo those bolts. I noticed, I don't know if this is normal, but there's a little bit of flex, but that's why it's a flex plate, I guess. But you can see that ain't normal. I think the flex plate broke. And this is grimy, so it kind of suggests that it broke a while ago. This is kind of a clean break. So probably recently broke. Yeah. That's that. If you guys enjoy the carnage, tune in for more.